Hey there. Today I'm gonna show you how I get into my car, in my wheelchair, and put it all in, do all that. So start off. By opening the door, obviously. Get in the back. Get in the back. Tell the dog to get in the back. And this is a pretty far transfer, especially since I'm a quad. I don't have a full upper body strength, but that's where technique comes into play. You practice something enough, and you'll get it. So scoop, and then on 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, I'm in. And I'll get one leg in. Put this seat up. Throw my cushion in the back. And a lot of people will break, this chair breaks down, these wheels come off, both of them, but a lot of people, they take both wheels off, and I don't see the point in that, having to do all that work, taking both wheels off. So I just take one wheel off, throw it behind me, fold the backrest down, and like I said, a lot of people take both wheels off, but that just seems like unnecessary work for me if your chair fits in the back seat. And my other car is smaller, so in my other car I have to take both wheels off, but I'll show you that next time. But in this car I don't have to. So drop the backrest a little bit. Throw it up and over me. Into the back seat. Bam. And we're ready to go. See you on the next one.